Hi, it's William Jamin. Welcome to my channel. I just want to share a tip that I learned during my study of folding material. There is a rule of 1-2-7. Really simple. I think it's more like a hack, but this is very useful, especially if you draw from imagination rather from a reference, because it becomes pretty hard for you to imagine things from scratch. Okay, so you just need to remember these three numbers and you can use it. Okay, it's strangely easy. Okay, so let me just show you. So for example, if there is a arm, okay, let me quickly get you the arm here. So for example, if there is an arm like this, I'm drawing the arm like inside. Okay, it's not the outside arm. Okay, I know this is pretty bad, doesn't really matter, because we are focused more on the outside. Okay, so the folded part, because we got the fold area here, so if it's a close, you will get pretty folded at this like edges, turn around edges area. So what I'm going to do is to utilize the 1-2-7 rule here. So what I'm going to do is to first the outside, okay, outside, maybe something like this, okay, maybe just stop here, okay, and maybe something like this, maybe something like this, okay. Right now it doesn't seem to be really folded. That's because you haven't utilized 1-2-7 rule here. So first, one, let me just draw a one here. So one, so they got a folded area, and two, let me just draw a two here, two, okay, and seven, just draw a seven, maybe just here. Okay, really simple, and that's 1-2-7 for you, so you can easily draw a folded like this. Okay, let's do that again. So let's draw that from scratch, utilizing the 1-2-7. So the outside, and then 1, 2, got a folded area here, and 7, like a 7, okay, and then you can draw the outside. So for example, folded go outside, and folded 7, okay, and then we got the sleeves, and then there will be I don't know, maybe just a hand, something like this. Okay, so we got a 1 here, we got 2 here, we got 7 here, we got 7 and 7. So we got this amazing folded area here. And then you can add the shading. So we got this 1, and you can add some part of the shading here, some part of the shading here. Since it's folded, okay, you can add this overlapping part as a dark area, because some is really hard to get inside. Okay, so for example here, the folded part become pretty hard for the sun to get in. So this is the area where you should focus on shading. Okay, yeah, that's the 1-2-7 1-2-7 rule here. Okay, thanks, bye.